What's up, Tim? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're going to take a quick look, see what we can find, and see what's going on. So right off the bat, like H3 painting, like that little logo you got over here, you got home, get started, interior. So okay, that's pretty good. I guess this is commercial. I guess that could be commercial, but at least have a drop-down menu. Now, here's the thing. I know there's a little bit more than interior and exterior that happens. Oh, wait, you have more. Service. Okay, that looks great. Service areas. That's a lot of places. I wonder. And then much more. All right, so far, no complaints. You got numbers, which are click to call. You got schedule now. Only thing I would say is have that little like thingy over here for name, number, address, and phone number, so you can call them back with an email. H3 Paint interior and exterior painters for the Front Range of Colorado. Our painting services. Oh my God, I love this. Okay, great. So you actually talk about the services: exterior painting, interior, or our color consultation. You should talk about all of the services. So everything to do with interior and exterior painting, as well as commercial. About H3 Paint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's all done. That's great. You found the right place to start your project. Nice picture. Uh, Overall, not bad. Longbow Painters, painting contractor in Council Rock. That's a great keyword. Overall, got nothing to say. Everything looks good. And taking a look at the back end, I'm not really going to say that, there's a lot. So you have your UR rating, which is how much Google likes your website. DR rating is how much Google actually trusts you. And then you have 1,620 different backlinks with 616 referring domains. That's a lot. Now you do want your UR and DR rating as a ratio of 1 to 1. Now a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else that somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it does return to you. Now not all of them are created equal. So you got some that are BuzzFeed and Wikipedia. Those you don't really want as much as you want a good painter's blog. Now I notice you do have a blog on your website, which is where a lot of these 1.6 thousand keywords will come from. Now you are bringing in decent traffic, but let's take a look at those keywords. So you used to have painted brick. Now you don't. But the problem with a lot of these keywords right off the bat, Tim, is black cabinets with white countertops has nothing to do with your location. So yes, 700 people are searching for it, 22 people a month are coming to your website, but they can be anywhere in the United States. So you want to be very careful about non-buyer descriptive keywords, such as, you want them to have two things. You want them to have a location and a service specific. So all of these are great to have, and you're bringing in traffic for them, but they're not great to have because they're not specific to your location. And I'm trying to search and see if I can find one that is. Even this, contemporary house exterior colors. Yes, you're getting traffic and you're great location. You're number one, but you're not going to do well with it because you don't know if they're actually in your area. So I'm looking for something that has more of a location. And I'm not, oh, here we go. House painting Colorado Springs. 250 people a month search for that. You're getting 4 of them because you're on page 2 actually. So not the greatest position to be in, but that's what I'm looking for. That's what you're going to want as well. You want those kind of specific keywords. Scrolling through, interior paint, Colorado Springs, excellent. You're getting 3, but so you're ranking high for a lot of keywords. You're just not ranking high for the right ones. So let's take a look at what other people, right? So painting Colorado Spring, painters Colorado Spring. It's very very location and service specific. Scroll down. We got this is, by the way, these are how Google ads are created with these 2 things in mind. CertaPro is doing a lot of ads. They got the budget for it, I guess. But now we have CertaPro, AMC, and local painting. So this is your GMB Google My Business profile. Very important to get in here. About 34% of all people who search for anything will be in this location. We'll click on one of those 3 websites. But then you have your organic search. Seems like AMC painting is the number 1 in this area for that keyword. Right off the bat, it is a little cluttered, so I'm not going to say I like that. But they have drop-down menus for pretty much everything. Yours is a little bit more comprehensive, so that's very good, and yours isn't as cluttered. This is great to have, not as comprehensive because people kind of don't want to give out all their information. If they do, then, they feel like they have to commit to something. And these are not click to call, so good, you're beating them on that. About them, AMC Painting offers a variety of services, which is great, but you want to always talk about the services in a lot more detail than this, because all they have is commercial painting, residential, multifamily housing. So there's a lot more that goes into it. You definitely always want to talk a lot more about what it is you're offering. Overview of AMC Painting. So they have, well, once it loads, of course, a UR rating of 31 and DR rating of 9, so they're doing pretty good in that. They have 1,170 backlinks with 253 referring domains. So they have a lot less than you, but they are reaching a very high rank in the Colorado Springs area. They have 425 different keywords, and they're pulling in a little more than double the traffic, which is typically how you want to calculate it. For every keyword, you should get 2 to 3 more people coming in for each keyword that you have. Okay, now this is what they're ranking for. So as you can see, each of these, except for AMC Painting and AMC Paint, are ranking for buyer intent keywords as location and service specific. Colorado Springs Painting, 100 people a month, 37. They're in position number 2. They're getting 37 people, which is about 37%, which is great. House Painting Colorado Springs, 250 a month, 35 people a month searching for that. They're in position number 3. Sorry, 35 people a month are coming to their website. So everything they're getting a lot of traffic from aren't just AMC Paint. Yeah, that accounts for about 50, well, 30 here and 110 there. So, out of the 900, yeah, you can drop off, but they're getting about 800 pure and simple people looking for painters in Colorado Springs. So that's excellent. So how does this really help you guys out? I know you have a blog, and if maybe you're ranking really hard for every single keyword, I don't think so. Because you are bringing in 459 traffic, and you are starting to rise up. Here's my suggestion: is you got the content. I don't think you have the right keywords in there, or I don't think you're ranking for the right keywords because you got a lot of the blog in there. That's what you're starting to rank for most, and that's not what you want. So you do got good referring domains. You just want to start focusing on more of your keywords than the blog, and you should be good to go. Other than that, if you have any questions about this, Tim, by the way, you can reach back out to me. But otherwise, you have an amazing day. Bye.